If you want to create a beautiful checkout page for your WooCommerce store or for your WooCommerce dropshipping store, you are at the right place, because I will show you exactly how you can build your custom checkout page in a few simple steps. And yeah, I think the big problem is when you have a WooCommerce store or a dropshipping store, it doesn't matter, then yeah, out of the box the checkout page doesn't look that good. And for this we have a few options that I will show you here step by step, and show you exactly how you can customize the checkout page and yeah, make it look very good and boost the conversion rate. And yeah, so hi, my name is Tim. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. Like I said, in this video I want to show you exactly how you can customize the checkout page of your WooCommerce store, WordPress WooCommerce store, and make it look like exactly like you want. So like I said, out of the box, the WooCommerce stores, yeah, looks not that fancy. It's really simple and not that trustworthy. So, and maybe you run already a store and your conversion rate is not that great. So then maybe yeah, you can try to improve the checkout page so that more people will trust your store and yeah, will buy from you. So this is the checkout page from one of my stores. So you can see I customized this checkout page. So you can see we have two separate sections, left and right. So, and here on the right side, I want to build a little bit of trust with the potential customer. So if the customer is on this page and then yeah, in case he didn't trust us or he want to bounce, so we can show them here that we are a trustworthy online store with all these bullet points here, all the testimonials, and yeah, a lot more. You can see here these badges and these security badges and all the text that can build trust. And also we can customize it, so we can put here our refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and you can completely customize it. Also, you can implement Google Pay, Apple Pay, or credit card, everything you want. And here we have the three steps, from the cart to the checkout to the finish to the thank you page. And then here we also have another trust badge, so a little lock icon with secure and encrypted. And here the logo, and yeah, and here you can see here they can enter their name. And here's the product that's currently in the cart. Here they can add their credit card information, or yeah, like I said, on the top is the quick payment method with when they want to pay with Google Pay or any other quick checkout method. And yeah, so this is what I want to show you. So then yeah, let's get started. So for customizing this page, we are using a plugin. So the plugin is completely free. I want to show you this plugin is called Cartflows, or this plugin is from Cartflows, installed to the store on my local computer. And yeah, let's here you can see Cartflows is already installed. So I already installed Cartflows. If you don't have Cartflows already installed, simply go to plugins and then yeah, add new plugin, and then there you can search for Cartflows. If you want to read the website information, or if you want to take a look at the website, then I will put the link to Cartflows, to the website, and also to the plugin in the video description down below, so you can check it out if you want. But yeah, like I said, the plugin is free. We are using the free version. They also have a paid version. So yeah, with the paid version you get a little bit more, but we don't need this for the customization process, and we are using here the free plugin. And then let me show you how this works. So after we installed and activate the plugin, we simply go to Cartflows and then dashboard, and here you can see, and also Cartflows will monitor your WooCommerce store. You can see total revenue. I don't know if this is interesting for you or not. you can ignore this, and on the top left here you can see store. You can build funnels, and also you can see here store checkout. So then we click on store checkout, and if you want you can watch a little video and but we don't watch the video right now, so I want to show you how this works. It's relatively easy, and you can do this in a 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Here you can see create store checkout. So then we want to create a store checkout, and here we can search for a layout that we want to choose. So they offer a few different layouts, checkout layouts, and also here are some funnels. If you want to create a sales funnel, you can do this also with Cartflows. This is not separated, so the funnels and also the checkout pages, the templates are on the same page. I don't know why they don't have the separate, but it's okay. Here you can see store checkout 04, store checkout 03, and then you can choose your preferred layout, or you can build an own layout from scratch, but I don't want this. And 2 and 1, I think that's it. And here you can see the pro version. So if you want to build a really good funnel or a website with Cartflows, then you can do this, but you have to pay. And here you can see here are a few free funnels, but okay, this is not interesting right now for us. And then here you can see what I am currently using on the page I showed you on this website. This is the checkout page I'm using right now. Let me go here. You can see this. I'm using store checkout 4, and here's also the original. So I freshly installed WooCommerce on this website, and this is the normal checkout page, and it looks really simple. So then let's go here, and then let's choose, for this example, let's choose another one. Let me choose store checkout 1. Click on all steps, and here you can see what kind of steps you have. You have the checkout page, and then you will get a thank you page that you can customize. Here you can see how this looks like. You can insert your own logo. This everything looks good. Then we click on import funnel. And now, the pages, the design, the layout will get imported to our store, and now it's ready. So, and here you can start building, start customizing these pages. And when you are ready, when everything is finished, then don't forget to click here on enable store checkout. So this means that this plugin will disable the stock checkout page and will enable the Cartflows page. So don't forget to turn this on after you finish customizing. And so let me show you checkout 1. You can also rename this if you want, but now we want to edit the steps. More option, okay, A/B test. Let me click on edit steps, and I think it's loading Elementor. Okay, and so if you are familiar with Elementor, then it's really easy, really simple to build a checkout page with Elementor. So you can customize everything. You can put in images here. You can put in new text fields. You can put in, I don't know, videos or something like that. Everything you want, you can completely customize this. Here you have the pre-made badges. If you click on, no, I don't want this. If you click on this badge, then you can see here's the badge. You can change the image of the badge. You can upload animated graphics. You can change the text, and here also the testimonial. You can change the image, the text. And here, this is really cool that this is sticky. I really like this. So this is a sticky element, really nice. And here you can change the logo. If you have a real logo, then click on upload file, upload from your computer, or go to your media library and choose your desired logo. Here's our logo, WordPress, perfect. And also here you can customize these little step icons. Card, you can put in for example, a link, a redirect, or here, or finished. And then when you are ready customizing this, when everything is okay, then of course don't forget to click on update. And also here this you cannot edit this, because this is made via a shortcode, so you cannot edit this. This is right out of WordPress or WooCommerce. So you cannot edit this, but I think it's okay. So everything you can imagine, can modify is this and also this, of course. And don't forget to link your privacy policy terms of service, or delete this, or change, of course, the copyright text. And yeah, then of course we click on update. Everything is good. Let me click here. Let me click on exit. Yes, apply, leave. So let's go, of course, what have I done? So perfect. Okay, now we have customized it, and also the same goes for the thank you page. So of course you have to create or design the thank you page. Then let's say we have customized everything to our liking. Then we click on enable store checkout. Okay, now this is enabled. So, and also you can create another step. If you want to have another step, then simply click on the plus button, and then you can design another step if you want to. So then let's go here, and this was the original checkout page. Then let's click on refresh, and now you can see this is our new checkout page, and you can see how easy it is, and it looks more professional, modern. It looks more modern and more professional, and yeah, I really like this, and I really like how easy it is to modify everything and to customize everything. And yeah, so I think that's it for the explainer video. Now you know how you can create custom checkout pages in WooCommerce. It is really simple. We are using the Cartflows plugin, link in the description. And of course, if you liked the video, if you found the video informative, then please press the thumbs up button. And also I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, because yeah, I'm a small creator, and that means a lot to me if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you don't miss any new video. And if you have any questions about this, please put it in the comments down below. And that's it for now. So then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.